Sai Ram children, how are you? Fine? Okay. So today I am going to teach you the next topic of grammar. So before getting in, I would like to ask you something. Do you all watch the videos which we are sending? Did you like all the videos? Did you enjoy it? Yes. You must have enjoyed the videos, right? Okay. Now tell me, while watching the videos, where you are sitting and watching the videos. Yes, when you are watching the videos, where you all are sitting and watching the videos. Yes, maybe you might be sitting on the sofa or on a chair or on the floor, isn't it? We usually sit there and watch the videos, TV, whatever you can say. So, when I say on the floor or on a chair or on a sofa, the word on tells us the place of an object, or you can say a thing. It tells us the place of the thing. Okay. So, let us see some more examples. Here you can see, I'll just adjust my camera. Okay. Here you can see the ball is in the box. Okay. The ball is in the box. What you can see, where is the ball? Yes, it is in the box. So here the place of the ball is seen. Yes, we can identify the place of the ball. The next one. The pot is below the window. The pot is below the window. You can see there a pot is placed. Where is the pot placed? It is below the window. So here the word below is telling us about the place of the pot. Next, the cat is on the table. You can see the cat. Where is the cat sitting? Yes, it is on the table. The cat is on the table. So here on tells us the place of the cat. Okay. The next one. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Okay. So here the word under tells us the place of the cat, that exactly where the cat is sitting. Understood? So here such words, okay, the words like in, on, under and many more words are there, okay, which I am going to teach you. So those words are known as position words. Those words are known as position words because it is telling us the place of the thing. Here, now I'll be telling you the definition of the position words. Words like on, in, under, below, etc. tells us where the things are placed. Okay, once again I will read, children. Words like on, in, under, below, etc. tells us where the things are placed. Hence, they are called as place words or position words because it is telling us about the place, because it is telling us about the place of the thing. So, it is known as the place word or position words. Understood? Okay. I will read once again for you, children. Words like on. If you want, I will underline for you also. Words like on, in, under, below. Okay, and there are many more words. Okay, which in further slides I will tell you. Okay, there etc. tells us where the things are placed. Hence, they are called place words or position words. Okay, now the next one. Here, where is the cat, children? Can you tell me where is the cat? The cat is behind the box. Where is the cat? The cat is behind the box. You can see the cat. It is behind the box. So you will write the cat is behind the box. Here the word behind tells the place of the cat. Where is the cat sitting? Okay, it is telling us the place of the cat. Exactly where the cat is sitting. So behind is the position word. The cat is dash the box. Here, where is the cat sitting? Yes, the cat is sitting in front of the box. The cat is in front of the box. So, here in front of is the position word. It is the position word. It is telling us the place of the cat. The in front of is telling us the place of the cat. Exactly where the cat is sitting. Understood? Now, the cat is dash the box and the bowl. The cat is dash the box and the bowl. So, can you tell me where is the cat sitting? Any guess? Okay, I will tell you. The cat is in between the box and the bowl. The cat is in between the box and the bowl. You can see it is sitting in the middle. So, the proper word is in between. Okay, you will not tell middle. You will tell the cat is in between the box and the bowl. So, here in between is the place of the cat. It is telling us where the cat is sitting. Here, again here you can see a picture. Okay, in that picture you can see a bench. Okay, you can see a tree. You can see boys sitting over there and a bird on the tree. Okay, now again we will solve this examples. Okay, the first one, boys are sitting dash the tree. Boys are sitting dash the tree. So, what you will write there? Where are the boys sitting? Any guess, children? Okay, the boys are sitting under the tree. The boys are sitting under the tree. Okay, now the second one. A bird is sitting dash a branch. A bird is sitting dash a branch. Can you see the bird? Okay, I'll show you where the bird is sitting if you are not able to see. Okay, see here. Here the bird is sitting. Okay, can you tell me where is the bird sitting? Yes, the bird is sitting on a branch. Okay, here a bird is sitting on a branch. Now the third one. Okay, the bench is dash the tree. The bench is dash the tree. Now tell me, where is the bench? It is near the tree. The bench is near the tree. Okay, the bench is near the tree. Let us see some more examples. Here, children, what you can see? Yes, you can see a table and a book. Isn't it? There is a table and a book. Now, if I'll ask you, where is the book? If I'll ask you, where is the book? What you will give me the answer? Yes, tell me. The book is on the table. What you will tell me? The book is on the table because it is on the table. So you will write the book is on the table. Okay. Now the next one. Here, if I'll ask you, now tell me children, where is the book? Okay. Here also you can see a book and a table. Okay. So now tell me, where is the book? Where you can see the book? The book is under the table. The book is under the table. Okay. Where is the book? It is under the table because it is down. You can see when it is down, that time you will say under. When it is up, you will say on. When anything is kept up on any object, you will say on the table. When anything is kept down, that is below the object, you will say under. The next one. The fruits are dash the basket. The fruits are dash the basket. So the answer is the fruits are in the basket. The fruits are in the basket. Now, here children, we are supposed to circle the position words in the following sentences. Okay? Circle the position words in the following sentences. The first one, jam is in the bottle. Okay? Jam is in the bottle. Now, which is the position word here? Can you tell me the position word? Okay. Yes, it is in. So, I am circling in. I have circled in. Jam is in the bottle. So, when in is coming, that means it is telling us the place of the jam. So, jam is in the bottle. In is the position word over here. In is the position word over here. Now the second one. Pens are on the table. Pens are on the table. Here the word on is the position word. Here the word on is the position word. Okay. It is telling us the place of the pen. The third one. The car is behind the truck. The car is behind the truck. So again here the word behind is the position word. The word behind is the position word. It is telling us the place where the car is. Okay, it is telling us about the place where the car is. Okay. Now the next one. The deer is in front of the tree. The deer is in front of the tree. So here the word in front is the position word. The word in front is the position word. Okay, it is the place where the deer is. Okay, it is telling us the place of the deer. Now, fifth one. The house is between the trees. The house is between the trees. So here again the word between is the position word. The word between is the position word. Why? Because it is telling us the place where the house is. Okay, where is the house? It is between. Where's the house? It is between the trees. So it is telling us about the place of the house. Okay. Now the sixth one. The cat is sitting under the tree. The cat is sitting under the tree. So here the word under is the position word. The word under is the position word. It is telling us the place of the cat. It is telling us the place of the cat. Now, seventh one. The red ball is near the dog. The red ball is near the dog. Here, the word near is the position word. Here, the word near is the position word. It is telling us the place of the red ball. Okay. Eighth one. Peter sat beside the tree. Peter sat beside the tree. So here the word beside is the position word. Here the word beside is the position word. Okay. Now ninth one. They ran down the hill. They ran down the hill. Here the word down is the position word. The word down is the position word. So, like this children, here you saw so many examples of position word, that is beside, down, near, between, in front of. There were so many words. So, they all are known as position words. They all are known as position words. Now, let us see the next one. Here, in this picture, you can see there are so many objects. There are so many objects. So, we will see the place of the objects. Okay, we will see the place of the objects. First one, the clock is dash the wall. The clock is dash the wall. Can you tell me where is the clock? Any guess, children? Where is the clock? Yes, the clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. You can see the picture also. The clock is on the wall. Okay. Now the second one. The ball is dash the table. The ball is dash the table. Where is the ball, children? Can you see the ball? Yes. Here. The ball is here. See. So, where is the ball? The ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. Okay. Now, the third one. The table is dash the armchair. The table is dash the armchair. So, where is the table? It is near the armchair. Okay, this is the armchair. If you don't know, I'll just show you what is the armchair. This is the armchair. Okay, so the table, here is the table. The table is near the armchair. Okay, now the last one. The lamp is dash the book and the vase. The lamp is dash the book and the vase. So here the answer is the lamp is between the book and the vase. The lamp is between the book and the vase. So here children, we have finished our position words. Okay. I hope you all have understood what are the position words. The words which tells us the place of the object. Okay, the word which tells us the place of the object. Here you can see on, under, near, between. It is telling us the place of the object. So these words are known as position words. These words are known as position words. I hope you all have understood. Okay. Take care and practice at home. These sentences you can write in your notebook for practice. Okay. Thank you, children.